Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and that you have the carrier QR or activation code. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and update iOS to the latest version. This avoids provisioning errors. You'll also want your Apple ID signed in and device unlocked. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. Make sure you're ready to add a plan. Don't pause here. Scan the QR or choose the carrier app next, because waiting will interrupt the automated setup flow. You tap Add Cellular Plan and either scan the carrier QR code, enter the activation code manually, or launch the carrier app to complete provisioning. If prompted, choose a label for the line, primary, secondary, work, so you can route voice and data. Make sure to assign the eSIM for cellular data if needed, and set the default line for iMessage and FaceTime. If activation stalls, toggle airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then try adding the plan again. It often forces network rechecks. You finish by confirming the new plan shows active in cellular plans and selecting your defaults for voice, SMS, and data. Once done, test a call, send an SMS, and browse to verify mobile data. If something fails, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, then retest. If still unresolved, remove the eSIM and re-add it using the QR or app, and if that also fails, contact the carrier for provisioning. Most activation faults are on the carrier side rather than the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.